Hi folks, right, so today I'm sorry but this is not so much a van life video, it's more of a how-to or job for like T5 owners really. I'm just gonna replace the lower fuel flat panel. There's not really any how-tos online showing how to do it. It's relatively easy, and again, if I can show someone can benefit from it and see how to do it without having to put the van into a body shop or pay in a garage to do it, and it saves them a few pennies, then I'm happy to sort of spread the knowledge, so to speak. So yeah, this is the panel in question, if you can see that. My van by no means is a showpiece. The paint, for instance, is rattle can primer. As you can see from behind me, it used to be that blue, and the back doors are replaced with these white ones. Again, it's just the reason why I'm not replacing this because I'm being a tart. I want it fancy. It's just that I will show you, but the lower bit is filled with filler from a previous accident. I mean, the bottom sill on that bit needs to be replaced at some point because it's got a bit of a dent in that, and it's a bit scabby, but there's no holes or anything. It's pretty solid for now, so I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, this one, it does bug me when you look at it because you can see the filler in it. It's had a pretty poor repair. This panel I got from eBay for 15 quid including the postage from a breakers, so it's a relatively cheap sort of little fix. Yeah, so give that a whirl. I had a competition the other week because I'd hit 100 subscribers. I had a free little giveaway. The person that's won that is David Johnson, so well done mate. If you want to just leave a comment on how I can get in touch with you, like email address or something, and we're sort of liaise and get the gift off to you. Yeah, so I'll show you this. Say I've not got much on this weekend. I've got a few jobs to do for friends, mechanical work. Got a diesel heater to fit at some point. That'll be like a how-to / this is how I do it. Yeah, a few other little things, bits and pieces, but yeah, for now, let's get on with this. See the filler. That one, one in there. Bottom bit goes like that, out. So that one, that comes off. That can wriggle up. They come out as long as you twist them that way to pull them off. Put it all back, eye up the gaps. You can see this panel. It's actually pretty much 90% filler. So yeah, it's like a 5-minute little job that. When you put it on, it's got the 3 Torx bolts. That plastic, the black inner plastic bit that you see where the fuel neck is, the filler neck is, that does pop out. There's like a little breather pipe on it, but I didn't bother taking it completely out. Once you got them 3 Torx screws off, there's enough wriggle room to get it out. Just got to be careful that when you slide the new panel in and up, you don't bend this panel too. I mean, this is what come off the van, and you see it's all bent and the buggery and whatnot. So yeah, just try and make sure you don't bend that. And then at the bottom, these 2 tangs, if you can see that, they actually slot onto the bracket. It's nothing, it's an easy job. Again, when you put it on there, as soon as you put it on and twist it around, just keep an eye on the gaps, that you haven't got it sort of not quite central, and you'll see like the gap along between the door and the panel will go up and sort of splay out, so just keep an eye on that. But yeah, hope it helps. If it's helped, give it a thumbs up, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel. My name's Rusty, and hope it's helped. Until next time, take it easy.